Hello, my friends in Australia. My name is Dr. Mike Dow. I'm a New York Times best-selling author, and I've been called America's go-to therapist. I am so sorry I can't be joining you in person, but I'm very excited about this online workshop part of the Mind Heart Connect series. And I'm going to be teaching an incredible workshop that I hope you join me for. Learn self-hypnosis in 3 simple steps. More specifically, I will be outlining the protocol that I created, subconscious visualization technique, which actually combines hypnosis, bilateral stimulation, which is simply a left-right pulsing of the eyes or sometimes the body that helps you to process negatively charged emotional events, just like you do when you're dreaming as your eyes are fluttering back and forth in that REM state. And guided visualization. So whether you are somebody who has never experienced self-hypnosis, if you are a true beginner, if you are somebody who is already using hypnosis or bilateral stimulation in some of the other forms in your practice, perhaps you're using tapping, EMDR, accelerated resolution technique. There are so many great protocols out there. If you want a deeper understanding, or if you're using guided visualization, my blueprint is really going to help you to understand it and do it in a really simple way that anyone can understand. So there's really 3 simple steps here. The first step is going deep. So in hypnosis, you may call this hypnotic induction. You may have seen this on TV or in movies where you're going down an elevator, activating your subconscious brain and activating that trance state. Why is activating that trance state so powerful? Well, a couple reasons. First, it helps you to trigger that rest and digest. And we know that rest and digest, the opposite of fight or flight, that parasympathetic nervous system dominance is what you want to be dominant most of the time. So even if you just learn that really simple technique that you could use right before a presentation or right before you go on stage, that's gonna help you to really calm both the mind and the body. But then in step 2, what can you do once you've activated your subconscious brain? So now I'm going to take you on a train backwards into your life to set you free from some limiting beliefs, your past. And this is where the power of bilateral stimulation or this left, right, eye movement is going to come in. In my office, I sometimes will use other forms like tapping on the hands or the knees. But in this workshop, we're gonna use something that you can use on yourself, which is that eye flutter. That again is the signature visual manifestation of that trance state when you are in the theta brainwave state while you are dreaming at night, or in this case, creating it, manifesting it in self-hypnosis to discharge memories from the emotional centers of your brain, your limbic system, the amygdala. And by the way, the dominant brainwave of that system in your brain is, guess what brainwave? The theta brainwave, the brainwave that you can create with subconscious visualization technique, right? Then we're going to go forward. So as we go forward, how can you plant hypnotic suggestions, positive beliefs, optimism, positivity, hope, success? This is not the one and done sort of technique, right? So this is actually creating and integrating this technique with some of the behavioral techniques. In Los Angeles here in my home, I practice also simultaneously a lot of cognitive behavioral therapy techniques and cognitive behavioral therapy. Why is that important? Well, it's that behavioral activation. It's the combination of what you do in your daily life after you have this spiritual, mind-altering, mind-affirming practice with me, hopefully. Because it is every day when you put on those tennis shoes, when you choose to have kale for dinner, when you choose to create the career or the life or the relationship of your dreams, it's what you're going to see moving forward in subconscious visualization technique that is going to now connect with your everyday behaviors. So I really hope you will spend these really precious few hours with me learning this, learning self-hypnosis in 3 simple steps. I hope to see you there. Bye.